Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off new email notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If your inbox keeps getting flooded with X notifications and you're ready to take control, this quick guide is all you need. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, simply sign in with your username and password. Now, look at the menu bar on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, Messages, and Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications. From here, look for the small gear icon or Settings option near the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open your notification settings menu. Next, you'll see a few different sections. Choose Preferences. This is where you can customize how and when X alerts you about activity related to your account. Inside the Preferences section, click on Push Notifications. A new page will open with a list of all the notification types that X can send you. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. This is where you'll see the option for new notifications. To stop receiving those constant emails about new activity, simply uncheck the box next to New Notifications. Once you do, the change saves automatically. And that's it, no more distracting emails every time someone likes, replies to, or retweets your post. If you ever change your mind and want them back, just follow these same steps and check the box again. Turning off new email notifications keeps your inbox clean and helps you focus on what really matters. Plus, you can still see all your updates directly on X whenever you log in. Thanks for watching.